All right, guys, it's Jared Cook here at the Perry Company in Waco, Texas. We manufacture and distribute the Fortress product line of UTV aftermarket accessories. And what we're going to talk about today is we're going to talk about the very highly popular half doors that we've put out since 2018. And there were a few things about this half door that we changed while we were designing that modular upgrade that makes this a full door. And a couple of those things would be our hinge system, which is now a Generation 3 hinge system to handle the additional weight of that upper. And then also our striker bracket was something that we felt like we needed to upgrade just due to the weight of the door with that upper portion on it. Couple of other things that are options that you can buy after the fact. We have the exterior door handle. This is not something you'll see very many places, but essentially what we're going to do when you purchase this is we're going to send you the handle, the hardware, the drill pattern, everything you need to install these on your existing doors. We also have a seal kit that seals this hinge area and all along the bottom, and that's for the regular seater and the crew cab that we have those available. Now, one of the things that we've talked most about with customers lately is how wide the doors open. And so when we introduced these doors, what we didn't want to do is we didn't want to start to impede on any of this plastic here. And so you'll notice that you're only able to open up about so much. For most people, that works really well. What we wanted to do for some guys who wanted more space is come up with another hinge bracket that will allow it to open another 6 to 8 inches so that you get maximum clearance as you're getting in and out of your unit. Now that plate will be the same plate that works front and rear. They are driver and passenger, but that's something that we have available. Still trying to figure out the name for that, maybe an XL hinge, but that's something that we'll have on our site really soon. So if you guys are interested in upgrading the doors that you have, just remember that we've made some of those changes with the new development of our uppers, and it's brought us along a couple new feature sets that we're really excited about. So if you have any questions, give us a call here at the Perry Company. We'd love to help you.